Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use dual connection on your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300. And right here we have a first device what connected with the speaker, and also have an application, but we don't need actually to use an application. And also I have the second device what do not connect it with the speaker. So open settings on your second device and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after that if your speaker is turned on, it's amazing, and if it's not, just turn on it by press one time at the power button. At the top, right here, the left side, we have power button. You just press one time and you will turn on it. Then we need to enter pairing mode. So just press one time at the Bluetooth button what located near to the power button. It starts blinking, and also it do not blinking, but still we hear this sound, so we enter to pairing mode, and right here at the second device we can see it at the device list. Tap on it. Oh, sorry, not this one. Now tap on it, and we just connect it with the second device. And if we go to the settings and Bluetooth on my first device, as you can see, I also connected with this phone. So the speaker just connected with two devices at the same time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.